Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another subscription unboxing. This time it's gonna be SOS for May. Here is the bag of this one. The bag looks similar with the FC offers ones. So initially I thought it's an FC offer, but actually now it's the SOS subscription. Let's go ahead and see what's in this month. And I see in here the card first, and here is the print of the card, and on the back we have the products that are in this bag. So this is called Miami Art Deco May 2018. The total value of this one is $91. So let's see what we have for 91. And as far I know, this I'm not sure about the price of this one, but I'll leave the links down below if you wanna check them. And there is a coupon here with a value between 10 and 20% off for each of the product listed on here, and I'm gonna leave the code also just in case if you would like to check one of these products. I'm gonna leave the links and the coupon code. Also I'll leave the link for this subscription if you wanna check them. So the first item in here, it's Cosmoholic, is this one, and this one is Cosmoholic liquid lipstick with LED light, is this one right here. And this is Cosmoholic by Giuliano. Oh, and here is the LED light, really cute. Pretty. And let's see the shade of this guy. And here is the shade of this lip gloss. Although here it says it's a lipstick, to me it looks more like a lip gloss. So this is the first product. Then we have Nomad Cosmetics Havana eyeshadow, and the value of this one is $25. Then we have Nomad Cosmetics Havana eyeshadow. This one has a value of $18, and the shade is called Cohiba. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but let's see how the shade of this one looks. Finally, the box looks like this. Also, this is a brand that comes often in Ipsy bags or offers. I got from them a palette from giveaways, and here is the eyeshadow. It comes with a mirror also, and let me swatch this one. The shade looks like this. It's a pretty shade. And let me show you. Not powdery, blends very easy and well. And here is the shade of this one. You need to go with a very light hand if you don't want this to look so pigmented. So this one was $18. Then we have Estate Cosmetics baked highlighter, and that one has a value of $12. Is this one right here. I'm trying to see if this one has a name. I don't see anything. Actually, there is something here. I believe the name of this is Lit. Lit, probably. Here is the highlighter. Is this one. And let me try to swatch this one. Very pigmented also. Here is the shade of this. It is nice and also blends very well. Another nice product in this bag. Then we have from Sorme Cosmetics eyeliner, and that one has a value of 18. Let me see which one of this is this one. It's Treatment Cosmetics and it's in the shade Charcoal Tan, and it's something else in here, Smear Proof eyeliner, if I'm pronouncing that right. And let me open this. I like when they come with this plastic seal, but I don't like when I have to remove that seal. So finally I got the lid. Here is this one, the eyeliner, very creamy. Is this one right here. It doesn't seem to me to be very pigmented. It's not a black, it's a charcoal color, so this will go easy and smooth on your eyelids. And then we have another product, the last one, which has a value of $18 also. It's LARITZY. I'll show you the name. I remember I had the same problem in another video with the name of this. I don't know if it's not the same product. This one is lip pencil in the shade Retro Red. And let's see how it looks Retro Red. Is this one right here. And here is the shade of the lip liner. So far we have 5 products in here. Probably they are full size. I don't know if all of them are full size, but for sure at least 3 of them. The lip liner, it's a full size in the shade Retro Red. We have the eyeliner. We have this lipstick which looks like a lip gloss. We have a baked highlighter, and we have this eyeshadow which I really like. Those are the shades of the products. By far I like those two, the eyeshadow and the highlighter. Let me know what do you think about this subscription. As I said, I will leave details down below, and the link if you want to check this subscription. Also, I will leave that code that I was telling you about that you can use for all those products if you want to check one of them. The prices I think are really affordable, either to get the subscription or to get the products alone. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again with I'm still waiting for some subscription boxes. I hope I'll have the chance to do an unboxing for all of them. For sure I'm not gonna be able to have this month and the next one the Bummy Box and Bummy Bake, because they usually arrive at the beginning of the month, so not those two, but I hope to get the Sephora. What else I have? The Sephora, the Allure box, and I don't know, probably something else. But for now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.